Hi guys, it's your girl Yammi. Oh, sorry. I know that can get annoying, can it? My head hurts from that now. But no, seriously, it's your girl Yammi. I'm just kind of touching bases with you guys. I've been quiet on social media the last few days because I have been Uber eating driving. That makes sense there. Yeah, I've been driving for the last few days. As you guys know, there's a big new adventure coming up and I need every penny I can get. So I will have to really give this one to Boo. If it wasn't for him, I wouldn't be going on this adventure. He worked his butt off to make it possible for me to go on this trip. And I love him for that so very much. You know, he has always been my protector, my my cheerleader, my coach. He's been my best friend, the most loving husband ever. I'm sorry, I'm gonna say that. To me, he is. You guys might have like the best husband too. I won't knock your husbands, but he worked for me to get the tickets that I needed to get to go to this. So I'll be leaving him for a week with Obi and going on a new adventure. Now you'll get this video hopefully, you know, 2 days before, so hopefully by Monday, you know, somewhere Monday maybe, I'll get this video out. Today is Sunday. Wednesday, be on the lookout at 6 p.m. Sunday. I am going to announce the big adventure. And I hope to have you guys there watching this live with me. And it would just mean so much if you could be. So if you could be there, you know. And then also, I don't say this enough. I really don't. If you haven't yet subscribed, please do. If you like the content, if there was anything funny about me, or you liked my hair color, something, hit subscribe, give me that thumbs up, and comment. I have been working towards trying to become an influencer. And I'm telling you, it's not easy. It's hard. I have been working my butt off on places, filling out applications after applications. And then, you know, then I have to try to figure out what I'm doing. And it's been it's been an adventure, I'll say that. But it looks like I will not become an influencer too much. Unless you're a small company out there and you're looking for someone to help kickstart your product. You know, I can do the best I can. Anytime I use it in a video or anything, it will be sponsored by you. I will be telling people what it is, where they can get it from, and sending them your way. Right now, that's the best way I can start to become an influencer, is by this way. So hi. I would love to promote your item. Just let me know. Message me, yammysadventures@gmail.com, and we'll go from there and see what happens. But I have to do that. I have to remind everybody to subscribe. I think, oh, I've told you guys this over and over, but see, there's somebody new out there like you. You, right? Not you. I've seen you last time. You, yeah. I see you're new. And I would love it if you would subscribe to my channel. But if you don't know who I am, I'm Yammi. And I am disabled. I do now do some driving for Uber Eats. And it's the only way I can work, because I can pick my own schedule and work when I want to. And when I can't, I don't have to work. So this is going to be a good thing for me to do. But we like to go on ventures. I like to show you how to save money. There's a lot of things I do. I have some really good cooking shows. And again, the cooking shows. My son and I we used to pretend we were on a cooking show, and we acted as if there was a camera in the kitchen with us. So, you know, when I started doing this and I realized I could do that, I thought, how fun is that? So I'm loving it. I like to do that. So you'll get a couple cooking videos, you'll get some Disney videos, new adventures, you get some videos. But yeah, we're fun here. And so make sure you subscribe down there. And if you're new here, tell me, where are you from? Where are you watching me from? I like to see where people are at. I have some UK friends, I have USA friends. I don't know if I have friends in other countries or not. Maybe Australia, maybe? I think I have Australia. So, matter of fact, everybody, if you're watching this video right now, comment down below. Even though if I know who you are and know where you're from, do it anyways. Comment down and let us know where you are watching Yammi from. And so, I'm just right now in between some deliveries. I don't have any deliveries right now. I'm online. It's Sunday. It's 3:35. I've been pretty busy today. I think I've done like 11 or 12 trips today. And I didn't start till about 10 o'clock, I think. So I've taken a couple breaks. Had to get some lunch. And then I stopped at home to start getting dinner ready, and then I have to text Boo to tell him when to put the food in the oven. But so if you're new here, we'll welcome you with open arms and say thank you for being here. It really means a lot that you guys are there for me. I know that sometimes my videos aren't the greatest. Sometimes they're out of focus and I don't notice it. Bad eyesight, you know, does that. All my little flaws that I have, you guys love me for them. So I'm working on trying to get rid of some of them. Like the forgetting. I have stuff I'm writing down all over the place. I put it in my phone, I put it on paper, then I forget where that paper's at and I write it down on something else, and then I forget where that one's at. You know, it's just a vicious circle. But and also, if you would, the best way, the very best way you can help me support my channel is by watching all my videos. So if you're new here, go back to the beginning. Yeah, they weren't very good, but watch them anyways. The more I get people watching and commenting, my numbers go up, and then I can monetize my channel, and that's where I just add in commercials. So I'm just needing more hours. I need 4,000 hours watched from a year ago today to today. So go back. There's almost 400 videos. So yeah, I'm almost up to 400 videos. So go back and watch them, you know. It'd be, and if you want to fall asleep to me, just put me on autoplay. And you can fall asleep. Turn me down a little bit so you don't hear, it's your girl Yammi. Oh, high, loud, pitching. Sorry. Yeah, so watch my videos. And if you want to do more, we do have our Patreon account where you can join the Patreon account, and there you get notification. They've already been notified of the big announcement because they're supporting us through Patreon. So if you'd like to join us through Patreon and support us that way, the link will be down below. Just click on that link, hop over there and pledge, and you'll get some information. You'll see what the big surprise is before everybody else finds out on Wednesday. Yeah. In just 5 days, 6 days, I'll be going to, I'm not telling. Almost slipped up there, but I'm not telling. Wow, okay. Been sitting here, no calls. It's the next day. I did not close this out last night. I worked a long day. For someone who's not used to working, whew, today I'm tired. I said I wasn't going to go work today, and I lied. I went and worked a couple hours this morning. I just shut off, and then I said, well, I had to go out to get dinner a little later. I did spend $5 at lunch at Burger King. $5, that's it. I remember when $5 used to get you the big meal, you know, and we would always order the $2 or the $3 meal. Now it's like the $5 meal is the cheapest you can get. If you want a sandwich, fries, and a drink, you're going to be spending like $5. So, I don't know. It's crazy. It's crazy, folks. I just tell you, it's crazy. But I'm enjoying this. I'm getting out. I'm seeing new areas. Finding, you know, we've been looking to move one day, and I've actually been finding places for rent now. They're in this area, though, but somewhat closer to Disney. You know, maybe even like 10 miles that way closer would be great, you know. So we're going to try moving, keeping in the same area, but go a little bit more east, maybe. Northeast. Wow, I'm winded. Today has been a big high heart rate day. Yeah. 113. And I'm not exercising. I'm at 104. There we go. That's why I got out of breath. Just sitting here. I jumped from 88 to 100. So when I'm talking and I get winded, you know why. My heart rate went up. I don't know. I can't remember if I talked about this. So if I'm saying it twice, sorry. I met with the cardio electrophysiologist, and he gave my second opinion that everything that my heart doctor's doing is correct. He also said your blood pressure is not a symptom of POTS. It's not the results of POTS. So my blood pressure changing has nothing to do with my POTS. It's totally something else. Thank you. Like I need anything else added on to my list. Maybe if I stop going to the doctors, I won't get any more diagnosis. There we go. I'm going to take me. Let me see. I do have to go for a massage therapy, allergy shot, and blood work today. Or not today, but Thursday. So I'll do those for it. Then after that, I'm taking me 2 weeks off. No doctors. No nothing. Because my mom will be here a week from this Saturday for a week. She missed me. Don't let it fool you. She missed her little girl. Her little girl. So she's coming to see me. Her and Granny, my neighbor Granny, turned 97 in August. She's still kicking and kicking my mom's butt and tormenting her. Oh boy. My mom, she torments Granny. And Granny turns around and torments her. It is the funniest. Be sitting on the phone talking to her, and I can hear Granny and Mom like, crazy old woman. Crazy old woman. This woman's gotta be crazy. And I just sit there and I laugh. It's like, well, I guess that's payback. Suitcases to pack. 1 week for my adventure, 1 week for torture with my mom. I love her. I love her. I just have to keep telling myself I love her. But she's going to torment me. And I'm just going to let it roll off. I'll have a massage done this week. So I'll be all nice and relaxed. But I'm enjoying the Uber Eats. I know I get off subject, don't I? I start talking about one thing and then it goes into something else. I am so very sorry that I do that. I don't mean to do it, but it happens. I'm getting an awful lot of friend requests today on Facebook. I mean, a lot. I don't know if maybe I'm being shared around more or something. Are you guys sharing me on Facebook? Are you even following me on Facebook? Unfortunately, Facebook is the app, the social media app that I do use. I try to link my Instagram up to it, and I thought I had it linked up, so whatever I post on Facebook would post on Instagram. That's what I'm trying to get it to do, to post on one and do the other ones. But if you're on Facebook, I have a group, Yammi's Adventures. Look for me, join the group. And anybody out there that's already in my group, I'm looking for a moderator, one or two, you know, somebody that can be willing to post something daily, whether it's a good morning post, an afternoon post, evening post, something about Disney post, something funny, or something to show you how to save money, you know, something like that, you know. So if you're interested, comment down below, let me know. Back to my original post, our subject was the Uber Eats. I like it. It's fun. I get to see new places. I just get to see new places. I mean, there's so many places here in Winter Haven I've never been to. Winter Haven is a big city. As far as I'm concerned, it's a big city. Port Huron, where I'm from, is a small city. You know all the streets in Port Huron. I mean, there's very, very little streets in Port Huron that I don't know. Here, there's a lot of them. They tell you to go. I was like, I didn't know this was back here. Where did this come from? And then I'm like, oh, it's on a lake. Everything's on a lake here. We have like 700 lakes in this city. Not really. Not that many. Close, but not that many. I want to say we have like 50 lakes or something like that. But there's lots of lakes everywhere. Everywhere you go, you're winding and turning, going between lakes. Wednesday, not tomorrow, but the next day, be on Facebook, or not Facebook, be on YouTube. I am going live on YouTube, and I'm going to announce my big adventure and all that it entails. So it's going to be a fun time. So I'd like it if you could join me. So that's Sunday, Eastern Standard Time, Florida time. Yeah, so join me 6 p.m. and I'm going to go live. You can ask questions. Since I have these glasses on, I'll be able to see. I won't be doing all this. I know you guys got tired of looking at my nose, huh? But just, it's going to be a fun time, and I'd like it for you to join. I want to see how many people I can have join my live. And then share it. Tell your friends to join my live. Come join it and see what adventures Yammi's going on. Yeah, Yammi going on an adventure of a lifetime. I'm telling you, it's an adventure of a lifetime. So I'm just going to cut it quick here. I'm going to go ahead and get this video out and post it today. This way gives you a couple days to know that we're going to go live. I did post on, put a post on YouTube that there's going to be a live coming up at 6 p.m. so on Wednesday. So if you see it, make sure you click on to remind you, and then it will remind you that you want to watch my live. Oh, I had to make sure I wasn't stepping on somebody. So Uber Eats is fun, but I'm tired. It's kicking my butt right now. Oh yeah, and wherever I go, I will be shopping. So if there's anything you might want, I know you don't know where we're going yet, but if you join me Wednesday, 6 o'clock live, you find out where I'm going, and you can tell me if you want anything from where I'm going. You might want something. Yep, you just might. Alright guys, as always, thank you for being here. And I really, really do love you all. Bye. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.